Computer science students, here's an internship opportunity you probably weren't expecting. The Indian Army is hiring data analyst and AI or ML interns in Delhi, with a stipend of up to 75,000 rupees. For the data analyst internship, you'll work on real-world military datasets, build Power BI dashboards, use advanced Excel, and turn data into actionable insights. And if you're more into AI, the I or ML internship involves Python, machine learning, computer vision, deep learning, generative AI, and practical defense-related projects. Both internships are for 75 days, but make sure you check the deadlines. The data analyst internship closes on the 15th of August, while the AI or ML internship closes earlier, on the 10th of August. And these aren't the only opportunities. Several other Indian Army internships are open right now, including roles in robotics, autonomous ground systems, AI and digital transformation, and more. Explore all the Indian Army internships on Unstop. Link in the description.